Support and Resistance Logistic Regression by Flux Charts, TradingView Indicator. What it is? This TradingView indicator helps traders find important price levels in the market. It uses math, called logistic regression, to spot where prices might stop and turn around. These spots are called support and resistance levels. Main features: 1. Smart level finding, uses math to find important price points. 2. Success rate, shows how likely a level will work. 3. Clear labels, shows when prices bounce off or break through levels. 4. Alerts, tells you when prices hit important levels. 5. Custom looks, change how lines and colors appear. What makes it special? Most indicators just look at past high and low prices. This one is different. It looks at market conditions to guess how well these levels will work in the future. It's like having a smart assistant that learns from the market's behavior. How this Flux Charts indicator works. 1. Finds important turning points in price. 2. Looks at market signals like RSI and price changes. 3. Uses past data to learn patterns. 4. Gives each level a score, 0 to 100%, showing how likely it will work. 5. Marks levels on your chart and tracks how prices react to them. Settings you can change in support and resistance logistic regression. Basic setup. Pivot length, how many bars to look at for finding turns. Target respects, how many times a level should work to be trusted. Probability threshold, minimum score needed to show a level. Look and feel. Prediction labels, turn on, off the success rate numbers. Retest marks, show hide when prices bounce off levels. Break marks, show hide when prices break through levels. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe for more.